How to go ahead and gain more followers on your Instagram account just by tweaking certain copy on your bio. This is one of the easiest things to do, and it's going to bump up the follower conversion rates. More people that hit your profile are going to start following you, increasing your followers. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new here or you don't know who I am, my name's Anthony. I run a 1 million follower network on Instagram, and I also run an Instagram marketing agency. I make videos like this to help you take your accounts from 0 to hero. So if you're trying to grow on Instagram, trying to monetize Instagram, trying to do really anything on the platform, you might want to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I put out a video about Instagram almost every day. Sometimes life gets in the way, but I'm trying to do a video every day for you guys, so nonetheless, you should really go ahead and subscribe. So yesterday I uploaded a video that was mainly basically a rant, and now after I went ahead and recorded that video, I want to record this one to give some actionable steps on it, right? So if you haven't watched that video, I'll leave it first link in the description. Go watch that video so you kind of understand how this video is going to play into it, and then watch that video and then watch this video so you can actually get the actionable steps of how this should really be played out. So now that you watched that video, the first step that you must do is actually get your bio set up right? One of the most important things about going ahead and giving people a reason why as to follow you is they must be sold from the second they see your account. It goes deeper than selling them on the shout out first, but once they get to your account, if you're getting people to your account and they're not following, it's because something isn't matching up, and more often than not, it's because your bio is set up really crappy. So I kind of came up with these 3 W's. I called the 3 W's, and this is how you want to structure your bio. And just to put this out here, make it super clear, this is for a personal brand. If you're growing a viral page, this doesn't really apply to you. This is more so for personal brands. This is the 3 W's that you want to deploy into your bio so that people will actually go ahead and start following you, and people will know why they're following you. W number 1, who are you? In your bio, you must say who you are. That is like the biggest thing of like, who is this guy? That's the first thing that people are gonna think is, who is this guy? So on your first line, right, these 3 W's are basically broken up into lines, because after each sentence, normally you're just gonna put like one quick little sentence on your Instagram, and then you could, do a space, hit the enter button, whatever, and now you have your next line. So the first line of this first W needs to be who you are. You must define who you are, because that's the first question that people are going to pop into their head. So imagine yourself as a brand new person seeing your profile. The first thing that you're gonna ask is, who is this guy? Answer that question on the first line. W number 1 for the second line, this is, what do you do? Okay, they know who you are, but now what do you do? This is super, super important, because people are gonna, these are just the sequence of questions that people ask, and these are the questions that people need answer before they go ahead and make the judgment of whether or not to follow you. So what do you do? Do you create, solutions for entrepreneurs? Do you go ahead and, are you a fitness athlete? Are you a fashion extremist? What are you? That, and what do you do? That is what the second line must be. And then now what you've done is you effectively answered, who are you? What do you do? And now on to the third W. The third W is, what value do you provide? People must know, what are they going to expect if they follow you? Why should they follow you? What are you providing? Do you make funny comedy videos? That has to be in there. Do you go ahead and help people out on their fitness journey? That has to be in there. Do you help people to, overcome certain obstacles? Are you a life coach? That has to be in there. What value do you provide? Why should someone follow you? This is your chance to sell yourself. And now what you have done is you have made it super clear, showing a new person just seeing your profile, who are you? What do you do? What value do you provide? So they can immediately build a personal connection with you through your bio and decide to follow you after consuming your content. So guys, those are the 3 W's that you need to implement on your bio for your personal brand. I know I see a lot of people who just like to list everything they do. Like, I'll go to certain entrepreneur pages and all it says is crypto investor, stock investor, Amazon seller, drop shipper. That doesn't solve anything for anybody. That doesn't help anybody. Who are you? What do you do? What value do you provide? Those are the 3 W's that you must provide inside of your bio. If you guys like this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button. Help us get this video out to more people so more people can get help with growing their Instagram pages. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for the most up-to-date information about Instagram, showing you how to grow, how to monetize. Seriously, subscribe. You're not going to want to miss out. With all that said, guys, if you want a free Instagram training and a complete webinar put together that goes over exactly what big gurus are lying about, exactly what big influencers won't tell you because they want to hold you back and not increase competition for themselves, I'll leave that link in the description. Go ahead and take that training if you're super serious about Instagram, but don't take it before you subscribe. Subscribe first, then go take the training. With all that said, guys, keep grinding, keep hustling, and I'll see you all on the next video.